Welcome back to another wonderful edition of Reaper's Trade Recaps. This is for today, Tuesday, September 1st, and yesterday, August 31st, 2009. I had some computer problems yesterday. I had to completely reinstall Windows and every single program on my computer. So that's why I didn't get around to doing anything yesterday. So first, let's take a look at the actual trades I had. Okay, here we go. These are for both days shown right now. Let's show the summary. So net profit of about 234, plus I had a short of DRJ in my Sogo account, which added like another 20 or 40 bucks. So nothing too exciting in terms of net. I apologize for the slowness. I don't know why my computer is being slow at the moment. So let's go to Monday's trades. I shorted DRJ. That was a small trade and it didn't fade like I wanted, so I got out. Today it really did fade nicely. PRMK was a random true penny stock. HLCS was the really interesting one. DCTH I think was just a pre-leader long, and I really messed up that trade. So HLCS, let's look at the multi-day chart here. So yesterday it broke out above 170. Actually, last Friday it broke out above this key point of 170 here, and then it closed right near the highs of the day, right around 173, 174. Then, with the whole market gapped down yesterday, and when it went green and when it went above the previous day's high, it was a great time to buy, and it also had a ton of volume, as you can see here. So I bought this right around 285. And I sold it. Sorry. This is the day's chart of HLCS. I obviously did not buy today. In a second, let's go to the 2-day chart. Okay, so I bought right around 185 here. I sold around 220 here. Bought again at 230. Sold again 240 and missed the big jump here. Still had a nice profit of around $600. So let's close that. Today's trades, SVA and VG. VG was bondage. Tim Sykes traded that. I followed his trade in that. A decent idea for a trade. Shorted as it goes red because it still has a long way to fall. But then there was some pseudo news released and it jumped. I had a small loss considering my position size of 5,000 shares. More interesting today was SVA. This was suggested by Preston as a long. Yesterday it went from 7 all the way up to 975 and closed right near its highs. And today it had a little bit of continuation strength. It gapped up and then it moved a little. So it was a great buy very early in the morning. And of course, when I say something's a buy, I mean a very quick trade. I never hold things very long. It opened much higher. It fell down a little to close to 11, and then right when it went above its highs of the morning, just a few minutes after the open, that would have been a great time to buy, right around 11:30 or so. I didn't buy till 11:60, and I sold right around 12. Preston, I saw, made a few $100 trading this a lot better than I did today. Good job. So that's pretty much it. On watch for tomorrow. Anything that moved today. IPII is the really interesting thing. Let's take a look at its multi-day chart. You can see here it moved above 120, was a technical breakout, and if you look at the intraday chart, I don't have time for that, it moved solidly higher after that and never went below 120 again. I think it should have some downside, but I'm sort of ambivalent about it. I'll see whether it has strength or weakness, and that'll determine how I will or will not play it. Other than that, I just got my computer online, so I don't have much else to watch for tomorrow. Thanks again. See you next time.